Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are making turai or tori ki sabzi in a traditional way. It is a side dish prepared mostly as an accompaniment to various types of Indian breads like rotis, parathas, etc. Turai or tori has a delicate mild flavor and requires spicing up a little to make it more attractive to eat. Try this traditional turai in which turai is cooked in Indian aromatic spices with ghee to make a tasty and healthy curry. You don't need much spices to add while cooking turai. I prefer to make it with fresh herbs to get the wonderful mild and sweet taste of turai. This is my mom's recipe to cook traditional turai with just a few spices and ingredients. The recipe is also vegan and gluten free. Let's check the ingredients now to make this delicious traditional Chinese okra curry for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are cooking turai ki sabzi in authentic traditional way, and it is a very simple and easy recipe which involves using very few ingredients, but the taste is really delicious. So we have taken about 500 grams of turai for making this recipe, and you can follow the same recipe for making the gilki, which also tastes similar to the turai. So you need to use a peeler to peel the turai first. So I am using the peeler to peel it from all the sides. So similarly we have to peel all the turai. So you can see that we have peeled the turai. Now we need to take out both the ends of the turai using the knife. So we have already taken out both the ends of the turai. Now use the knife and cut it in half. Now cut it in half again. And now we need to chop it in this way. So this is how we need to chop all the turai. So we have chopped all the turai. Now we need to wash it thoroughly with cold water to remove all the dirt. Also cut some green chilies as per your taste. We are using the scissors to cut the green chilies because it will help them cut easily, and the green chilies flavor is not sticking to your hands. So we are using about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil to fry the turai. You can also use only ghee to fry the turai. Adding the ghee is really important because this recipe really tastes well when you use the ghee for frying. So we are also adding 2 tablespoons of oil into this ghee. Now add a pinch of asafoetida once the ghee is hot. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Reduce the flame to medium low and add a pinch of turmeric powder or haldi and a pinch of red chili powder. It gives a nice color. Now add the chopped green chilies and turai. Turai is a veggie which already contains a good amount of water, so we will not be adding any water in this recipe. Add the salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Red chili powder as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania. Mix it nicely. This veggie really cooks very fast. Cover it with a lid and cook it on a medium flame until the turai is completely soft. We will stir it occasionally in between and cook it until the turai is completely soft. So you can see that turai has become completely soft now. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and generous amount of coriander leaves which we have already washed and chopped. Mix them nicely. And and you can also see that the torei has left a good amount of water and we have not added any extra water into the torei while cooking it. So our traditional torei ki sabzi is ready and we can serve it. And this sabzi really tastes very delicious. So friends, we have served our simple, easy and delicious torei ki sabzi which we have cooked in traditional way. And this sabzi really tastes great with roti, paratha and puris. Enjoy it with your friends and family. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes and latest updates. And like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.